Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nursyafiqah Abdul Halim, and in this video I would like to show the tutorial on how to create a rock paper scissors game using Unity. So the first thing that we need to do is create a 2D project, and we can name as anything that we want. As for me, I would name as RPS, stand for rock paper scissors game tutorial. So this is how it looks like when we done create our new 2D project. And in this hierarchy, we need to create a canvas. So we right click on the hierarchy, we go to UI and canvas. So this is how the canvas looks like. We need to click to the canvas and go to the canvas scaler and change the UI scale mode from constant pixel size to scale with screen size. And for the X, we go to 1920, and for the Y, 1080. And then the match, we change to 1. All. And we move to creating text object for the result. And we need to right click on the canvas, go choose UI, legacy, and text. And we name this as a result text. Okay. And then we already scale everything. And then we need to create 3 buttons as we have 3 choices, which is rock, paper, and scissors. We need to right click on the canvas, we go to UI, legacy, and button. We repeat this step 3 times because we need to have 3 buttons. Okay, and then we already resized all the buttons. We need to create 2 image objects, one for the player choices and another one for the computer choices. We also need to right click the canvas and select UI, and for now we choose image. Okay, the first one is player. I name the object as player choice, and then the second one is computer choice. We need to create a text for each object. The player and the computer, and this is how it looks. Next, we need to add the image for the button and also the computer and player. So we need to create another folder from the for the asset. We create a folder named as sprite. In this folder, we need to add all the images that we want to put on the button. Okay, in the inspector, we need to click this one and make sure the texture type for all these images are in sprite 2D and UI. The next one, we need to click all the button. The first one is the rock button, and we drag the rock image to the source image of rock button. So it will be like this. This step is same goes to all the image and objects. So we just go there. Okay, like that. This is how it looks like after we add the images. And then we need to import a Unity package called as RPS script, which all the scripts are in there. So in the hierarchy, we need to create a empty object named as game manager. And we need to drag the game manager script into the inspector. And now we have the game manager script, and with all the element is none. We drag the button script into the rock, paper, and scissor button. Button script, I will put right here. And then we need to assign the choices value but for each button, 1, 2, 3 respectively. Choice value 1, and then we drag the game manager to the field like this one. We same as paper and scissor button. And then we need to create a text object that will serve as advice to the player. So we just add the advice text. We add the text that named as advice text. And then we need to add some audio for our game. We need to create an audio source game object. We right click on the hierarchy, selecting the audio and the audio source. Okay, this audio source will be used to play sound effect for win, draw, and lose. We rename the audio source to sound effect. Like this. And then we import the audio file. In the asset, we create another folder named as audio, and we add all the sound effect that we have found to the audio folder. Okay, so this is the sound. And now we need to click to the game manager object and assign all the required field right here with all the things that we have on the hierarchy. That's all. And we need to add the sound here. Sound effect. So this is the list. We need to add 1 element. Element 0 we need as we check the win. Element 1 draw. Element 2 lose. So this is all what we have. So this is how our game looks like. So I think that's all for my tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching.